Hi, Mubashir here from LMS Crafter, and in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create a variable subscription in WooCommerce and how you can sell the LearnDash courses with those. So we have already LearnDash installed and we have already WooCommerce installed. So we're simply going to go to the product section, and from the product, and we're going to add a new product. Now we need to look for the courses that we want to sell. So on this client, this is my client website. So all of the courses are actually selling at this moment, but I'm going to choose this one, this course to sell again. And I'm going to add a subscription for this specific course. So I'm going to name this product exactly the same as the courses. You can name the product whatever the way you like. It can be monthly or yearly subscription. To buy these courses, the pricing strategy is set up in such a way that user can buy this course for a monthly basis or for the yearly basis. And here goes the product description. We're going to use the with some text. Simply come down here, and from here I'm going to copy this one and I'm going to paste this one. The reason I paste this text is that it gives the user an idea that where the things are going to be. So from here we're going to choose the variable subscription. We can also choose the simple subscription that will allow you to create a one type of subscription, but we want to create a variable subscription, and we're going to sell this LearnDash course through the monthly and a yearly basis. When you choose the variable subscriptions, you see there's a variation in the attributes. So first thing we need to do is that we need to create the attributes. So we need to check this one that's used for the variation. Again, we need to put the plan's name, choose your plan, or select your plan, any kind of thing, but we say that choose your plan. I make this C of this one capital, choose, okay. And now we go into the values. It can be weekly, monthly, yearly, but in our scenario, we're going to choose just two values for the monthly and the yearly. So we say the monthly, and we put this sign in between that actually separate the one value from the another. And we say a yearly as second one, okay. And we're going to save the attributes, and then we're going to use that attribute in our variation section. Now see, we have our plan here, and now we're going to click on the variation. Now we're going to generate the variation. This will create a two plan for us, the monthly and the subscription. We're going to choose the monthly plan, and we say, okay, so we can upload the images as well, but we want to keep the things really simple because these subscriptions are the virtual. There's no SKU for that, and there's no GTN as well. And also this is not downloadable. So what we're going to do is that first we're going to choose the price. We are going to make a very little adjustment, and I try to make sure the thing keep really simple, so that will be really easy for you to understand. So we say that, let's say the price is 1500 CFA every month. It can be every second month, it can be every third, fourth, and the sixth month. If you want to change for the month section, it can be week, day, or the year, but we're going to choose it for a month because you see, we have opened the monthly plan tab. So we're going to choose 1500 CFA every month. And down below, we're going to choose the LearnDash course that we want to sell. So what's the name? The physics second CET, and that's it. This is the price setup and subscription access setup for the plan. Now we're going to do for the yearly plan. We say the 15,000 CFA every year. We're not adding any kind of a sign up fee, so there's no need for that. This product is virtual. So what we're going to do, we're going to add again the course, physics second CNT, and that's it. We're going to save the changes. Our changes are saved. Now the thing is that we need to publish this one. I'm not choosing any category, but I will have to add the image. Because the directory is so huge, so I'm just choosing this math image symbol there just to make sure it works. Now I'm going to publish this one, and I'm going to show this product in the incognito window as well. All right, so we have this product available. We have our subscription product available, and you say that choose your plan, and we have monthly, which is 1500 CFA, and we have a yearly. We have 15,000 CFA here, and if we click on a sign up, it will take us to the checkout page. Now the question is that how we're going to add that thing to the LearnDash courses page. And it's pretty simple. Just simply come down to the LearnDash course, edit that course, go to the settings section, and in the close tab, add the price of 1500 CFA and paste the product. That's it. Now, if someone lands on your LearnDash course, they can purchase that variable subscription for product from there. And if someone directly lands on a product, they can purchase from here, and it will simply go to the checkout page. That's it. That's the end of the video. Let me know if you have any question. I try to keep the things really simple. And if you have any question, just leave in a comment. I will respond. Thank you so much.